Really?
A huge truck that just got turned over.
Oh my goodness.
Probably tried to turn too sharp.
Probably.
It looks like they're just trying to get him out. It just happened not too long ago. The windshield got kicked out, so whoever's in there is out of there.
I sure hope he's okay. Oh man. That just...
Saddens my heart. Happy Valentine's Day.
No kidding. It just makes me cry. I bet the Homex truck is there because of the chemicals and stuff. I don't think it's a pileup.
Just in case there's a leak.
Yeah.
The lights are definitely doing number.
Your phone shakes.
A whole line of cars. It's a bad accident.
No kidding. I haven't seen anything like this since Texas.
Stuff like that. Yeah, there's no chemicals.
Look at this. That is crazy.
Poor guy, man. I feel so bad. Oh my goodness, my heart just wants to scream and cry.
Doesn't look like doesn't look like
Yeah, they're over there soaking it up right now.
You know that'll be all it is.
wow. Look at all this. There's a car on the side of the road over there, Mom.
Was there?